Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 9. Festivals around the world.
Unit 9. Page 26. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Which festival did you choose, Nick?
Actually, I chose a Vietnamese festival.
Oh, really? Which one did you choose?
I chose the Elephant Race Festival in Dak Lak. I think elephants are fascinating animals. It must be amazing to see them racing.
Okay, that's interesting. How about you, Mai?
I chose Diwali. It's an Indian festival.
Why did you choose it?
Well, it's called the Festival of Lights, and it's a religious festival. I think candles are so romantic, and I love fireworks. There are lots of both during Diwali.
That's a great choice. And you, Fong?
I chose La Tomatina. It's held in Spain, in a small town called Buñol. It's a seasonal festival to celebrate the tomato harvest.
What do you like about it?
For 1 hour, people get to throw tomatoes at each other.
Wow, that does sound unusual. Okay, finally, me.
I choose something a little different. It's a musical festival called Burning Man. It's held every year at the end of August. People go to the desert, make a camp, and have a party.
Wow, that's a new one on me. Sounds fascinating. Okay, I'd like you to write up your reports and hand them in to me by...
2. Write the festivals in the box under the pictures. Then listen and repeat.
Unit 9. Page 27. Getting started. Activity 2. Write the festivals in the box under the pictures. Then listen and repeat.
1. Water Festival. 2. Cannes Film Festival. 3. Ghost Day. 4. Tet. 5. Rock in Rio. 6. Christmas. 7. Halloween. 8. Easter.